Yo guys, what's going on? It's Dub here. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do the glitch background effect that you may have seen in some of my edits, and it's not too hard to do. The first step is to cut out your character or the main part that you're going to be using of your image or video that is not supposed to be glitched out. The first way you can do it is by going frame by frame with the polygon mask tool in Fusion. The second way that I'm going to be showing you guys how to do today is using a keyer. So what you're going to want to do is have your video already here. Ideally, you want to have something with a very contrasted background, like the screen, for example, and a contrasted character. And another thing you're going to want to do is not to have any other moving objects that come through or your character to be moving. So first of all, have your clip and then just drag it one timeline up. And then now you can just go into Fusion with it. Once you guys are in Fusion, what you're going to want to do is hit shift space and then go and grab a delta keyer and grab the little eyedrop tool right here and pick a color, as you can see here, that gets rid of most of the background. So for me, I'm going to try to find a good spot that gets rid of most of it. That's pretty good right there. As you can see, there's still a little bit of stuff, but it won't affect the scene that bad. So if we go back, you can see the little specks right here that didn't get taken out, which you can always go back and just redo the delta keyer color until you get something you like. Now you're going to need to find an overlay. This comes from editing packs, YouTube, online, Discord servers, and just drag that under your clip. And as you can see, it places the overlay behind the character right here and covers most of the stuff that you deleted. And now what you can do is, if you want to make it look a little better, go and click Open Fusion, right click your overlay, and just add a soft glow as well as a ground loop. If you don't know how to get ground loop, go check out my other videos. I have a tutorial explaining how to do glitches, and in there you can download the glitch tools from MT. So for me, I'm going to take the soft glow and turn the gain down a little bit. I'm also going to turn the glow size up a little bit, and I'm not going to change anything with the ground loop because, as you can see, it already makes it jagged enough. And there you go. Now you have a glitched overlay in your background. And you can do this with any overlay you want, but I like to use something colorful like this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys want to see more content like this, please subscribe. I do editing content and gaming content on this channel. So if you want to see any of that, subscribe and let me know. Anyways, I will see you guys next time. Later.